Hi everyone, my name is Shital Katkar. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most important topic on Django, which is how to debug Django application. Yes, debugging is an essential part of any developer's life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to debug in PyCharm, and in another video, I'll show you how to debug in Visual Studio Code. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's jump on the screen. I'll open my project in PyCharm. I have already activated the environment and ran the project using run server command. And when I hit the home URL, I get hello world page and the total of 2 numbers. This is the small code runs before opening up the page in browser. Here I simply add 2 numbers. Now to set up the debug environment, we just need to follow 2 steps. First one is adding interpreter and second one is configuring debugging properties. Interpreter is used to understand Python code and configuration is just to tell that this is my interpreter, this is my project location, this is my manage.py file, and to run Django use run server command. So firstly, I will add interpreter. Go to file, new project setting, preference for new project. Go to Python interpreter and select the interpreter. Currently I don't have any interpreter, so I'll create a new one. Here you can create new environment. However, I have already created one for my project, so I'll use existing one. I'll locate my project directory here, which is demo project folder. Inside that I have environment folder. In environment folder, go to bin and inside bin select Python. Now I am ready with my interpreter. This is the list of all packages I have already installed in my environment. Now it is time to add configuration. In upper right corner you will see add configuration. I do not have any template, so I'll create new configuration. Click on new, Python, script path. Here we will add path of manage.py file since we use this file to run our Django command project, right? So I'll select the path and I'll give run server as a parameter. Now select your interpreter. Currently I have only one interpreter, so I am blindly selecting that. But if you have more than one interpreter, then carefully select only your project's environment. Now click on OK to save your configuration. And we are ready with our debugging environment. So each time, instead of running our Django project by writing Python manage run server command, we just need to click on this run button. Can't run. It says that port is already in use. That is because in another terminal my project is running on the same port. I'll stop this and try to run again. This is the button to run in debug mode. I'll stop the project and run in debug mode. I'll add debug point here. I refresh the site and see program execution is paused at first line. Here some useful icon, step over, F8. So program execution will move to the second line. To go inside the function, use step into my code icon. Instead of clicking this icon, I prefer F8, F7 and F9 keys. F8, go to the next line. F7, go inside function. F9, go directly to the next debugging point. Here you can see the current value of variable. Value of C is 25. You can also use evaluate expression to check the value of B. I would like to show you one more interesting thing. You can change the value of variable. Here I am changing B's value to -15. and now I am running this line again. The value of C is changed. There is one more useful thing which I frequently use. When you go to another file or some another code and you lost there and you want to come back to the current execution point, use this icon. Now I want you to explore the remaining option. I hope you have learned today something new. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel, comment on this video, and don't forget to watch my another videos in Django. Bye, see ya, take care.